What? Look, I was just reviewing this customer website and everything looks pretty much fine, but the search was so broken. Do you know how much important is that? It's like you're walking into a shop and like you see many interesting products, but you ask to the shop assistant, I'm looking for like some sneakers to go running, you know? And the shop assistant is like, or saying like fuck you, you know, or saying nothing. This is like a search engine broken. See, it's like punching you in the face. You just wanted their product, you know? So listen, this is not just a tutorial. It's about making this website sell, and to sell it needs a great search. That's why I will explain to you how I test the search, and I will break down for you the common issues, the solution, and the best tools you can use to improve your website search from WooCommerce, Shopify, Magento, whatever you have. So let's get rolling. This customer website is a fashion accessory international brand. It's pretty famous. I do love them, but this search engine really sucks. Why? How do I know that the search engine sucks? This collection of product is about accessories and they mainly sell, like I think 45% bags. If I do test your website and like different combination of search keywords using bags, they don't work, it means that your search sucks. What do I mean? Let me explain better. Entering a shop, I want to search for bags, looking for materials, brand, use case, size, color, and all the combination of these needs to work properly. So let me show you. If I try to do this, like leather bag size L for work. If this doesn't work and returns 0 result, and if you are actually selling leather bags that you can use to go to the office with size L and you're not returning result, your search engine is broken. Okay? But technically this is not something really easy. Historically, the search engine was not built to really work like humans do. So, but now you need to optimize search to think like humans. So it needs to really consider very well all this combination of keywords, which include like brand, categories, product, probably size and color if you do have those attributes, and you can make typos. So you need to work with spell checking. If I'm misspelling shoes, still need to find shoes on your website, you know. And if you are like selling internationally and maybe like Italians, for example, they can write black for male or females, you need to optimize for that. Or you need to optimize for a singular or plural version of the word bag and bags, and still need to work in both ways, you know. So I think you got the idea. So what you can do is like, you have two different possible solutions. The first one is to do a lot of work and go optimize your fucking search now, your current search engine. And to do that, you need to do a lot of work because you need to enrich the catalog and the attributes you're giving to the search engine to feed it with the right keywords to solve the issue. Because if I can't find your leather bag size L, probably because you didn't give to the search engine all these keywords and your search engine is not working enough consequently. But if you can, I would really recommend to go for an AI-driven search engine. And my favorite list, because I tested many of them, is this like Clerk, Algolia, DoFinder. And if you have a technical team that can make like more complicated integration, maybe you can use also Elasticsearch. In this case, this search engine, they're really doing all the work for you. They just like fetch your catalog with some plugins and integrations. Usually are a plug and play solution, depending on the platform you're using, but most of them are very well supported, like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, Salesforce, whatever. So I think you're pretty much like ready to go with all of them. So they will just feed themselves with the catalog and they will do all the work of enriching, finding synonymous, alternatives, singular, plural, male or female version. You will not have to give a fuck about that. It will just work like magic. And consequently, you can use the actual search engine from the UI in your website that will be much smarter. It will consider like typos, it will consider all alternatives, contextual alternatives, and most importantly, these search engines are smart, and smart meaning that they also considering performance. Performance is about like putting and sorting the product for the match with the keywords, but also about matching the product that sell more. So they do work with algorithms that do sort products that do sell more for you. So this will eventually optimize even more the conversion rate for you and the final return of the investment. So what you should do now is first subscribe to the channel, because you don't want to make websites that do suck. You want to make websites that do sell. So subscribe to the channel. Second, now go fix your tech and make your website sell now.